Namaste. Today we are going to know about Shashankasana. It is very simple yet very effective asana. And also I am going to tell you to do two experiments. First one is with pulse oximeter. Nowadays everyone is having pulse oximeter at their homes. So take your SpO2 reading, do Shashankasana for 10 to 15 minutes and then again take SpO2 reading. It is observed in many COVID positive patients, Shashankasana helps to improve oxygen saturation level. So experience yourself and feel the difference. It is only one of the many benefits of Shashankasana. Let's see how to do this.
Sthiti, sitting posture. Fold your right leg from knee, sit on your heel. Then fold left leg, sit on your heels in the Sthiti of Vajrasana. Slowly raise both the arms from sideways, gradually up till the biceps touch your ears. Inhale, slowly lean backwards, then while exhaling, bend forwards from your waist, resting arms on the floor, forehead touching the ground. Relax in this position, keeping the eyes closed. In this final posture, you can do many more things. You can chant Omkar, You can observe your breath and consciously relax whole body. You can repeat any one positive thought called as positive affirmations. Being steady and comfortable is important. So, if you are not comfortable in this posture, you can make fist and put forehead on the fist. In this final posture, maintain at least for 1 minute, at the max 15 minutes. Gradually increase the duration of asana. Most important thing is while coming up, don't open your eyes. Keep the eyes closed, inhale and gently come up to the vertical position. Slowly put your hands down without opening your eyes. Straighten your left leg, straighten your right leg. Keep the eyes closed and feel the difference. For those who cannot fold their knees or sit down, they can sit on chair, take a table of same height and do the asana. Remember to keep your lower legs perpendicular to thighs and not slanting. Now who should not do this? Patients with backache, knee pain, vertigo, glaucoma, who have undergone recent abdominal or spine surgery should avoid this asana. Also, during pregnancy and menstruation, one should not do this. What are the benefits? As I previously told, it improves oxygen saturation, hence very useful in all respiratory disorders. It is proven to be very effective in asthma patients. Also, Shashankasana gives good stretch to the muscles of waist and strengthens pelvic region. It gives good massage to all the abdominal organs and helps to prevent constipation and indigestion. Shashankasana improves blood circulation to head, eyes and face. Regular practice improves facial glow. Shashankasana is an ultimate stress buster, so much that therapeutically it is advised in patients with depression.
Today we all are surrounded by so many negative events, stressful news. Many of us have lost their near and dear ones. It is really tough to face this situation, but at the same time, it is very important that we all should work together to build up positivity, to come out of the grief. So, the second experiment I am going to tell you is to select an affirmation which you will be repeating while doing Shashankasana. Affirmations are positive statements that help you overcome negative thoughts. For example, I am happy, I am healthy, I am strong, I am peaceful, or today is a beautiful day, like that. Also, it can be used for behavioral changes. Like if you feel that a particular thing you should change in your behavior, you should select an affirmation like that. For example, if you feel that you are getting angry very often, so you can say, I am calm, I am peaceful, and repeat this in mind while doing Shashankasana for 10 to 15 minutes. Do this for 21 days and then feel the difference.
Stay happy, stay healthy.